I was afraid to speak when I was just a lad. My father gave my nose a tweak and told me I was bad. But then one day I learned a word to save my aching nose. The biggest word you ever heard, and this is how it goes.
French, we are the French.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite explosive, if you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Michael, it's your birthday today.
Ma, there's a weird, strange cat outside. It looks like grandma, the thing.